Hello and welcome to Knowledge Bhai, where we unlock the power of information.
Design thinking is one of the scientific approach to solve the real world problem and implement in a long term solutions. These are the most important factor about design thinking. Design thinking is a human centered problem solving approach used widely in education, engineering, nursing, business, and innovation. It focuses on understanding users, redefining problems, and create effective solutions. Ultimately, motto is we have to solve the real world problems. So, there are various stages. So, there are 5 stages in the design thinking. Number 1, empathize. Second, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. These are the basic 5 stages where we can implement the particular idea into the particular prototype or the possible solution. Here, student try to learn about a particular problems. Next, we can go through one by one. First point is the empathize. Empathize is a step where we try to understand the user's problem, needs, and its feeling. What we can do, we can take an interview, we can observe behavior, we can collect feedback, we can do survey. So lots of things we can do, and we can collect data. For this purpose there are 4 things. Number 1, you have to say, think, you have to do something, and you have to feel something about the user. It is called empathy map. Next one is that define. What is define? You have to define the particular problem faced by the your customer or individual, and whatever you empathize stage, you need to collect data, analyze it properly, and define the clear statement problem. Next stage is ideate. Ideate is a system where there are several stages where we need to generate one idea through various phases and come with a possible solution. For idea generation, we can do brainstorming, group discussion, creative thinking, and much more. Next step is a prototype. Prototype is a crucial stage where a particular student have to prepare one prototype or working model, or sometime it can be PPT, it can be software, or it can be concept. So we need to implement, or we try to solve the particular issue or the problem, and that is the most important factor about a prototype. And last one, whatever the prototype we have designed or developed, we have to test according to our customers need or individual need. Again, it is a last stage to find out the proper solution. Thank you very much, and subscribe my YouTube channel.